How to enable dark mode on Google Maps iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. The Google Maps app allows users to navigate, explore, and discover places using real-time traffic data, turn-by-turn directions, and various modes of transportation like driving, walking, cycling, and public transit. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Scroll down and go to Settings. Here, go to the Using Maps section and tap on Dark Mode. As you can see, Dark Mode is currently turned off. If you want to turn on Dark Mode, then select On. You have now successfully enabled Dark Mode on this app. Following these steps, you can easily enable Dark Mode on Google Maps iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.